When I came for my interview the first day, I saw an otter, which I didn't even realize that there were otters in the Columbia Slough, and it sort of felt like a good sign.
I mean, we are fortunate enough that our office looks out across the Mason Flat wetlands. Every day we get to watch the sunrise, see the fog on the wetlands, the amazing wildlife opportunities.
One of the best parts about having this habitat right behind us and having these windows that are looking out and see whatever wildlife might be walking through, it definitely allows a sort of personal decompression.
So McKinstry has a strong corporate philosophy, together building a thriving planet, because we understand as engineers, as builders, that we have an impact on our world, and so we push to be sustainable in everything we do, both in the built environment and through our community outreach and our employees.
We did actually some internal surveying of the staff, and one of the pieces that was missing was community, and in that we decided that volunteering time together would bring us outside of our silos of our different teams.
So it started with a Meals on Wheels route, and we've grown to do activities at the Oregon Food Bank and have over time developed a relationship with the Columbia Slough Watershed Council.
We went to a couple educational events with the Columbia Slough Watershed Council. We got really interested, like this is a fascinating subject, and look, it's right outside our door. So we reached out to them for our summer picnic, and then we had so many people that we ended up having to split into two parties. And one group did invasive species removal at one of the lakes, and another one we did protection of trees with beaver cages.
Every single time, everybody's so happy they did it. You see a smile on everybody's faces. The first ones to sign up again for the next one, everybody walks away feeling good.
One day they asked, is it possible that we host one of our educational events in your facility? And it just seemed like a perfect setting. We have a great open air space where the classes of most any size can fit in, and there's actually one going on right now. And then also they did like a Columbia Slough business forum, and it was a great way that we also got to meet a bunch of the businesses around the area that we wouldn't have interacted with otherwise.
We started each winter, a small handful of people get to trudge out into the wetlands and clean out bird nesting boxes so they have good habitat for the next year.
So we're going through the bird boxes and we're documenting anything that we find in them. Last year we went through and cleaned them all out, and so anything we find in them this year will be new and exciting.
And we also have started helping with the turtle nesting habitat that's out in the wetlands. This last year we went out in the pouring rain, big group of people, and cleaned off the overgrown vegetation to create quality nesting habitat for the western painted pond turtle. And it's just a chance to work together, get your hands dirty, not talk about work, and accomplish something together.
The Columbia Slough Watershed Council has been a really fun organization to get to know. I feel like they reach a really wide swath of people. Therefore, it's inclusive to everyone to be engaging with the environment and feeling ownership over it and impact to it. And so I'm really proud to know them and be related to the organization and be able to support them in this way.
I think that staying strong with our commitment to our partnership with the council and all the different departments that they work with, our commitment to taking people in and helping to educate them on what we have, because honestly, if you go out on Airport Way, you kind of have no idea that this really, really beautiful space is back here. Sharing that with the community and helping them understand the beauty that they have just in their backyard.